Ryan's first up against Milton, scores 3-0 Milton, 2 outs. That was a ball. Right now Tom is playing in the 10A championship game to my right. Oh, 1-1. Let's go, kid. Gotta be in there, kid. That's it. Don't help him out, Ryan. That's right. Tom is playing Rehoboth right now for the championship, and Ryan's playing Milton. That's it.
Good eye.
3-1. What is the count? Good.